Right, so while exploring this tunnel, which is between Tavistock and Plymouth, this is the Drake's Trail. There's these viaducts. I'm just walking through them. I always ride through with the boys, I never really walk. And then I found this. Look at this. It's open. I'm going to come back here tomorrow with the boys. We're going to do this. Yeah, boys! Woo! Okay, right, we're back out in the woods on the bikes. So after yesterday's little walk, and when I found this hole, or we're calling it a tunnel inside the tunnel, we're back today on the Drake's Trail. So head back to the hole. Death trap. It's definitely full of water, that's why we've got our shorts on today. Now we've got our torches ready. Let's go and see what's inside this thing. Okay, so the Plymouth Trail, this is the Plymouth section of what's known as the Drake's Trail, which runs pretty much from the moors through Tavistock and meets up with quite a few other train lines, which then been converted into cycle paths. Along the cycle path there are a couple of bridges and there are a couple of tunnels. In one of these two tunnels I noticed a side passage. There is a bit of a gate, but we can definitely get through the gate. So we're going to go in and explore the tunnel inside the tunnel along the Drake's Trail, which is between Plymouth and Tavistock.
It's not the tea. It's like a tea. It's got a thing called light.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite a far way in. Right, so we've finally reached the tunnel. We are going to ride most of the way through this on the right hand side. Okay. Okay, right. Bikes are parked up. Move this here. So I noticed just down here on the left hand side.
Imagine taking a horse in here.
Pardon?
Imagine taking a horse in here, it would be loud. I don't know what that was.
Can you get in, chap?
Somebody ripped it off?
No.
I've probably never seen this before.
I know, that's what I thought.
I mean, I always look at these bars. Look. Shampoo. Is that
Okay, so what have we got in here?
Water.
Wow. Incredible. Right, let's go. Who's stepping in first?
Definitely.
Well, you just got to go for it. Watch out then. We just got to get in. Wow. Oh. Well, she brought a stick. It's very clear.
Yeah.
Are you coming past me?
I'm going to wear it now. Oh my god.
I can hear bats.
It's cold. Let's take the out. I like that first, because then you can have a decrease. And then it's the same thing comes to our neck. It's a chilly baby.
A pick.
Yeah.
No way. Inside.
Oh, that's one. Oh, yeah, twins.
This place is awesome. This goes on and on. A bit mucky in places, chocolate. Look, there are rocks, so feel out for the rocks. It's crazy.
Look how tall they are. I never see them anymore.
As the crisps.
I don't like them. How fucking slow because they could be crispy. So, or maybe chewy if we're lucky. It's not chewy. It's like it could be for a while.
It's very secure in here. Look at the rock. It's very solid.
Silver real.
Can you see? It's a battery, isn't it?
Double decker. No.
Wow, what's this in here, Chop? Is this the end? Oh wow, yeah, they're getting through here. Crikey Moses. Is that a cave in or something, right?
This is going to fall here, look. There's so much stuff that can fall on us right now. I just saw a black hole into nothing. And I sort of looked. Ow! Forgot how tight it is. It's my own song. No. Looks like it's up.
Let's keep going.
I know you do, so go forward.
What did you? Oh, we made it.
Okay, it's the end of the video now. I hope you like and subscribe. Follow our Instagram. You got anything to say?
This is how your legs look after you just went as fast as you can down your Drake
And
Trail.
We're filthy, we are filthy. Right,
Yep.
have a bath.
Yeah.
See you in the next one.
And chili con carne.
Oh, and chili.
See
Laters.
ya.